How did I not learn this sooner? A genius trick I learned from a friend who owns a restaurant. To start today's recipe, we're going to open up a chicken breast, just like I'm doing here. Cover it with plastic wrap and use a meat mallet to tenderize it. I bet you've never tried anything like this before. It's super easy, practical, and quick to make. Now we're going to cut the chicken using a pot lid as a guide, just like this. Next, put some all-purpose flour on a plate, just enough to coat the chicken. Even your friends and family are going to ask where you learned this. Make sure the chicken is well coated with the flour. In another bowl, crack 3 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything really well. Now add 3 cloves of minced garlic, green onions to taste, and 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Mix everything really well. Coat the chicken in the egg mixture, making sure it's fully covered. In a skillet, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Then place the chicken in the skillet and let it cook. Flip carefully so both sides cook evenly. Once it turns golden brown, remove it. In the same skillet, pour in 1 cup of chicken broth. Add 3 more cloves of minced garlic and the juice of half a lemon. Add parsley to taste. I'm using dried parsley here. After I learned to cook chicken this way, I never wanted to eat it any other way. Add another tablespoon of butter and stir it in. Return the chicken to the skillet and let it cook in the sauce, being careful not to burn it. I'm sure this will become your go-to dinner. Perfect for those days when you don't have a lot of time to cook. My family loves it so much, they ask me to make it almost every week. It's literally impossible to eat just 1 piece. I'm sure it'll become a regular dish in your home too, just like it did in mine. Look at how delicious this is. Enjoy.